Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar in Windows 11 or 10 PC using Google Chrome browser. In case you frequently access Google Calendar using Google Chrome, you can create a desktop shortcut for that. To create a desktop shortcut, first open Chrome browser and visit Google Calendar website and log in to your account. Then click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select this one Save and Share option and then click on this one Create Shortcut option. You can change the name of Google Calendar according to your wish, and in case you will check this one option open as window, it will open a new window in Google Chrome. Otherwise by default it will open in a new tab. Then click on this one create button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar. Just double click on this one and it will automatically open Google Calendar in your Google Chrome browser on Windows PC.